own truth. Ice talks louder after you. Neon flickers, breathes, then sighs. Midnight hums between the lines. A chair moves slow across the floor. Footsteps pause outside the door. Every sound knows where to land in this room that understands. When the crowd thins out of sight, silence starts to sound like life. This is the noise of quiet in a midnight bar, where lonely hearts don't hide who they are. Every sigh, every glass, every scar plays its part when it's dark. I lean into the hush, let it talk, hear the truth between the thoughts. Yeah, this is the noise of quiet after hours in the dark. Rose drips low like tired rain. Bass walks circles around the pain. Drums don't rush, they let it stay. Teach the night to swing this way. The sax cries soft then pulls away. Says the things I couldn't say. I don't need the lights too bright to feel seen in this low light. No applause, no disguise, just the sound of real life. This is the noise of quiet in a midnight bar, where every past sits where you are. Broken laps, unfinished starts, all I know in the dark. This is the noise of quiet when the world slows down now. Last call. Low voices. A saxophone. Breathing what I almost forgot. This is the noise of quiet, soft and true. Every sound points back to you. When the night don't need to prove a single thing it's been through. Oh, if the morning comes too fast, this moment's one I'll always have. Yeah, this is the noise of quiet, and it's loud enough, 'cause